Install 4 batteries. Use screws to tighten the battery cover. Fold the positioning card. Take off the lock body and the hose on the card 1. Put card 1 on the cabinet door. Make sure the dash line align with the edge of your cabinet door. Use a pen to draw along the shape. Then mark the lock position outside of the door with the help of card number 2. Fold the positioning card along the cabinet door. Close the cabinet door and mark along the positioning card again. Stick the 3M adhesive to the drawing lock body. Make sure the lock hole is close to the edge of your cabinet. Put the lock body on 3M adhesive. Put card number 2 on the cabinet. Align the crease to the edge of cabinet. Use a pen to draw along the shape. Make sure the lock latch is close to the edge of your cabinet. Stick the 3M adhesive to lock latch. Put the lock latch on the drawing. Close the cabinet. Use app or card to unlock. Successfully unlock. Congratulations! The lock has been successfully installed.